Are your candidates getting ghosted by hiring managers? It's most likely because you're just sending simple resumes or sending a simple email with bullet points like most lazy recruiters do. The secret isn't just the resume, it's the digital portfolio. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to create a digital portfolio that's gonna wow the hiring managers, it's gonna make them respond to you and want to learn more about the candidate. And you're gonna get feedback like, wow, I've never seen anything like this before. I always just get basic resumes, PDFs, and this is really different. I appreciate this. And yeah, let's meet. I want to learn more about your candidate. Literally, when I send these digital portfolios out, we've tracked it over the past year. We are receiving a 90% open rate and anywhere from 20 to 30% reply rate. So think about that. For 10 outreaches that you send using this NPC digital portfolio strategy, you can expect about 2 to 3 responses from cold prospects. These are hiring managers that you've never spoken to before. So let's go ahead and dive into my computer and I'll share with you all the tools that I use and the tools that you can use to start getting new clients at scale. All right, so what you're looking at right here is what I call an MPC, most placeable candidate digital portfolio, right? So when I market this to clients at scale, I don't use the phrase MPC. For those of you that are newer to recruiting and launching your own agencies, MPC is somewhat of a universal acronym that's been around for many, many years, but our clients don't really understand our lingo internally with staffing and recruiting. So I like to call this a digital portfolio. It's basically a fancy resume. It's a resume in 2024 and 2025, right? So this is different than what most recruiters will send out when they're trying to get new business. So let's walk through it. Let me show you the steps of how you want to create these pages, why they're so important, why they work. I'm also going to show you some of our member testimonials of how they've gotten some phenomenal results from these templates that they're sending out at scale to their target audience within their recruiting niche. All right, so in its simplest form, what you have up here is going to be a little bit about your candidate. In most instances, you don't want to put your candidate's name on here for obvious reasons, right? Like maybe these clients could possibly backdoor you, find out who the candidate is. I want you to market A-player passive candidates. These are candidates that are currently working, that weren't even looking for opportunities, but you built such a great relationship with them and built their trust that they're willing to have you represent them out there in the open market to find them maybe an even better career that's paying them more money or might have more room for advancement for them. But again, you want to be private. You don't want to put their name up here. So it's okay to put, world-class candidate. This is where your logo is going to go right here. And then these are the templates that we created as far as, the outline that we feel you should follow, that we've battle tested over the past few years. And this template works really well to get those 20 to 30% reply rates from cold prospects. These are clients and hiring managers at scale that are responding to you. All right, so we talk about their executive summary, the candidate overview, the accomplishments, their key performance indicators. We want to put that in here. Skills, experience, depth of external relationships as well. And this is a great guide to follow if you're going to pursue this type of marketing candidates to get clients at scale. Guys, this is the number one way that I get clients. I don't cold call. I don't rely on cold email. I use the MPC strategy to get new recruiting clients every month, like 2 to 3 new recs every month that I can fill. That way I'm not having a revenue roller coaster like you may be experiencing right now. Most people are struggling with how to find clients every month. That's the majority of the phone calls that I take every week from potential prospects out there that are looking for coaching and recruiting, looking for scalable systems. It's right here, guys. This is being different. This is a tangible product that you're putting in front of people, hiring managers, for them to kind of sink their teeth into. You're not wasting your time. You're getting right to the point. You're saying, hey, look, here's an amazing candidate that's not looking for work right now, but they're open to opportunities. If it's the right opportunity, take a look at their digital portfolio. There's a template, here's a picture of them, and here's the best part. Here's a video that the candidate is going to do and pitch themselves and why they want an opportunity and what they're looking for and what may be happening where they are right now that's kind of getting their feelers out there, right? So let me see, I'm going to play this for you. You can hear the volume.
Hi, my name is Brandon McNeil. I've spent the last 4.5 years of my career with a EV OEM in the commercial medium duty space. And I was originally hired by
So you get an idea or a taste of what he's doing right here, talking about his background, but getting right to the point. We encourage our candidates to not ramble on these videos. Don't take 5 or 10 minutes. This should be like 3-minute top of what you're doing right now. Get right to the point, a little teaser as to why the hiring manager would want to meet with you. We get phenomenal feedback from prospective hiring managers out there when they watch these videos and see these and get these MPC templates. And then to wrap it up down here, just put a quick summary of, again, what their current position is, what they're seeking to do, where they're located. You can put what, their desired compensation is. There's no problem in showing that. You can even put some hyperlinks here too. Our templates are set up that way, which I'll show you in a second. And this is going to be a picture of you, the recruiter who's representing the candidate. And then when the client clicks on request info, it's going to go right here to a form where the client can request more information on the candidate, or typically they're just going to email you back and say, hey, this is pretty slick. Yeah, I want to meet this candidate. I want to learn more about them. All right, let's jump into the applicant tracking system that we use, that you can use as well with Recruitemy, where we store and house all of these templates. So since we're talking about the MPC template, let me show you what that looks like and how easy it is to edit. It's literally a drag and a drop. So right here under new member template pages, we've already pre-installed our templates in here. So when you come on board with Recruitemy, they're already in here for you, like the Matrix movie. Everything's pre-programmed. You have all your weapons and you're ready to rock and roll. And this is where we put the template under most placeable candidate. Just click on that. It's going to take you into the form. And all you do is click edit. Really simple. And with Recruitemy, we also have tech support for you. So at any point in time, if you're struggling getting your template up and running, we are here to help you and assist you with it and make sure everything's working properly. But here it is, guys. So you literally would click in here, put your logo here. You can see all the boxes here. You're just clicking them and, you can just change out words like I'm doing right here. But as you can see, it's very simple to do. You just drag and drop and add different people's photos in here, and the video placement holder can go and you can upload the video right here. When it's all said and done, what's cool about this is you just click publish, and within seconds, it's going to create a URL that's branded with your company name that you can then send out to thousands of prospective clients within your recruiting niche. And that's a whole nother video that I can show you as to how we market these candidates. But this is the MPC form for the purpose of this video. This is how you would create it. And here's a few examples of our members who have had great success using this digital portfolio MPC strategy. So here you go, MPC working exclamation mark, booked a new client Zoom call today per the request with their firm's CRO and Senior Director of Sales and Marketing, looking to make 1 to 2 sales hires before year end. This was a response to an MPC EM blast. I don't know what the EM part means, but I know what the MPC part means. And this is how powerful this strategy can be to get new recruiting clients at scale. Here's another member of ours who had success using the MPC strategy. He wrote, the meeting came from our health tech client campaign. We have at least 4 MPCs in health tech product management. The lead did not respond to our initial follow-up a few days ago, so I followed up again and they booked a call. And here's another testimonial from our members who wrote, hi Russ, what a way to get my week started. First interested client, I sent the MPC digital portfolio and plan to also set up an intro call with them this week. We'll keep you posted. So that's meetings created from a brand new member, first month in, who's getting awesome results from the MPC strategy. And that is literally the step-by-step process on how to create killer digital portfolios that hiring managers just cannot say no to. So using these digital portfolios will separate you from 90% of the lazy recruiters out there. But just building a digital portfolio is really not enough to be a successful recruiter. You also need a blueprint, a playbook, the right niche or industry to market candidates to, and know exactly how to reach out to hiring managers. So lucky for you, I have a bonus here today. I'm offering you access to a free recruiter training site. And inside this course, you'll find over 20 hours of pre-recorded modules and a community of recruiting business owners who are earning multiple 6, sometimes even 7 figures for their recruiting agency. So you can simply access this free training course by clicking the first link below in the description. And guys, if you got value from this video, it really helps me. Go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can receive more awesome content like this to help you start and grow your recruiting business. I'll see you in the next one.